In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cook French fries in a microwave oven. We got this French fries here, Señorito. So let's start. So nandito na, and then i-mix na natin salt and pepper. Pero we have this barbecue flavor seasonings. Pero gagamitin ko ito after na lang. Baka masunog siya. Use the garlic. More garlic. And then white pepper. Oh, white pepper and the garlic. Mali. Ayan. Use salt. And then konting oil. Ano ba yan? Lumalabas yung oil. Then mix, mix, mix. Tcharam! Ito na! Safe time. So this is my first time. Hindi ko alam kung magiging successful, but let's try. I-set muna natin sa 2 minutes and then i-check natin after 2 minutes. I-check natin after just to make sure hindi siya sunog. Bango! Nakaka-excite. Pero kailangan pa natin ng... Let's try again another 2 minutes. And this is the result after 8 minutes. I-mix na natin yung barbecue flavor. Yung barbecue. Mikit siya. Parang amoy curry. Kaya kailangan scattered dahil ito dumidikit. Ito natin yung barbecue. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Give me your ketchup. Hot sauce. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.